What if you could find a private gated community with acre-sized lots, custom homes, and absolute peace, all within the reach of Charleston's booming energy? In Ridgeville, South Carolina, that place actually exists, and it's called Carolina Bay, but it's still a secret for now. Today, I'm showing you why this hidden community might just be the opportunity that you've been waiting for before prices climb and inventory runs out. Let's be honest, most new construction today feels the same. Tiny lots, cookie cutter homes, HOA rules that control everything from your mailbox color to where you can even park your car. And if you want space, you often have to sacrifice convenience or pay a fortune to get both. That's why Carolina Bay feels like such a rare find. Because while Summerville sprawl is pushing out fast, Ridgeville is still peaceful, still rural, but not for much longer. In this community, it's already getting discovered. The builder is now about 9 months out, and that timeline is only going to stretch as more buyers catch on. Hey, I'm Deneen, a local realtor helping families and custom home buyers right now find these hidden opportunities. Honestly, after seeing Carolina Bay, it's one of the few places that I would personally consider moving to, and here's why. First of all, every lot here is around an acre, giving you the space to breathe, build, and live the way you want. The builder, Center Park Homes, left natural tree buffers between each property, so you get true privacy without having to put up fences or extra landscaping. Home prices are typically ranging between $500,000 and $600,000, depending on the model, lot, and the finishes that you choose, which for this much land and custom quality is almost unheard of this close to Charleston. The homes themselves, they're built for real living. Open concept floor plans, high ceilings, primary suites on the first floor for easy everyday living. And if you're dreaming about storage or car space, get this. You can find homes with up to 5 car garages. Every home has a private septic system and well water, giving you complete independence from city utilities and no crazy water bills. And the best part, you aren't locked into someone else's vision. You can completely customize your finishes, layouts, and upgrades right down to the last detail. Now, if you're thinking, is Ridgeville too rural for me? You're not alone, but Ridgeville isn't the middle of nowhere anymore. Summerville sprawl is reaching this area pretty fast. New industries are popping up, new job opportunities are on the way, and with easy highway access, you're never far from shopping, dining, and everything that Charleston has to offer. Buying now means that you're ahead of the curve, while prices are still reasonable and peace and quiet are still part of the package. Imagine coming home to wide open skies, space to let your kids or your pets run free, enough land for your dream pool, workshop, garden, just whatever you can imagine. At Carolina Bay, you're not just buying a house, you're building your own private world, because Center Park Homes only builds 2 homes at a time. And with the growing wait list, now is the time to start your build if you want to move within the next year. The longer you wait, the more competition and the higher the prices are likely to climb. If you want to learn more about Ridgeville, watch my video with my Ridgeville overview where I talk about everything Ridgeville has to offer. You don't want to miss what's coming. It could change the way you think about where you live. And if you're ready to make the move, reach out today. You can send me an email, shoot me a text, or just pick up the phone and call. I'm here to help you figure out which suburb is right for you. No pressure, no hype, just honest, real help finding the place that fits your life, your dreams, and your future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another Low Country Insider tip. Thank you so much for joining me. So long for today.